Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials ready: internet, an administrator account, and Windows updated. First, connect your Dell to your preferred network, then sign in with admin rights so installs can run without interruptions. Next, open the built-in browser and type Google.com to verify access. If it loads, proceed. If you need Google Chrome, download the installer now. Make sure to save it to downloads. Once done, close other apps so the installer can run smoothly and without delayed prompts. Run the Chrome installer you downloaded, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Accept prompts to allow changes. Once Chrome opens, sign into your Google account to sync bookmarks, passwords, and extensions. This keeps your data across devices. Then go to Settings, choose Default Browser, and set Chrome as default. Next, set Google.com as your default search engine under Search Engine Settings. Make sure extensions are trusted before enabling. This prevents unwanted changes to your new default settings and keeps performance steady. Finish by creating convenient access. Pin Chrome to the taskbar and create a desktop shortcut for quick launches. Test searching on Google.com. Open an incognito window and verify sync completed by checking bookmarks and passwords. If pages fail to load or Google behaves oddly, clear the browser cache and restart Chrome. If that doesn't work, reset browser settings to default or reinstall Chrome. As a key troubleshooting tip, temporarily disable security programs to rule out
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.